Just going to show you quickly how I would rub down this picture rail, using the mirka deros just to get the best part of this off. Obviously we're not going to be able to get into any of the shape of this, we'll have to do that by hand, but certainly this top main bead here we can actually do. So I'll just show you how I would do that. Thank you very much, John. Very kind. That's perfect. Thank you very much. Right, that's all we will get with the sander. Again, just keep moving it. So you're not taking say that again, so you're not taking too much out of the actual wood itself. I haven't taken anything out of the wood there. Just by moving that sander around, it's literally just taken all that paint off the top. Now, what I tend to do here, this is one of my used 80 grit pads, which is exactly what that was, 80 grit. And I just take it and I roll it over. Again, if you don't have one of these sanders and you're just using ordinary sanding paper, some 80 grit sandpaper, try the same technique, just roll it over. And you're just pushing it right in to the shape of this picture rail. Applying a good amount of pressure in there. Trying to get all the lumps and bumps out, get it nice and smooth. I'll do it all the way across, giving that a good key. Maybe a little nook and cranny. If it starts congealing like this, what I tend to do is just take it apart and re-roll it the other way. Getting us in there nicely. Right under there. Just keying that bit off. And underneath. Lovely. Wear a pair of gloves for that because you don't want to go breaking through your skin. Same as with this door, you know, you're going to need to do some hand sanding as well on there because we're not going to get it into the shapes of this trim that go in and around these panels. So I probably wouldn't have that pad squared off. I'd probably have it a little bit flatter and just work it in with your finger, just pushing it in. Right into the very edges. You want to probably fold the paper so you've got a bit of an edge on there, and that'll work you right into that edge as well. The same as the back, a tiny little bit there. Just fold the paper a little bit, enough to get in, and away you go. Now you can see it does congeal into these pads, and it will do the same thing into your sandpaper. When it does do that and you can't actually work with it, you need to get another piece of paper because that will stop doing its job.